Welcome to our channel. Strava syncing and upload errors can prevent your activities from being saved, but these fixes will resolve the most common issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection to ensure you have a stable network, as uploads require consistent connectivity to Strava's servers. Step 2. Force close the Strava app completely and reopen it, which can resolve temporary glitches preventing uploads from completing. Step 3. Verify that your fitness device or app is properly connected to Strava by checking the Connected Apps section in Strava settings. Step 4. Update the Strava app to the latest version available in your device's app store to fix known bugs and compatibility issues. Step 5. Check if Strava's servers are experiencing issues by visiting their status page or social media channels for service announcements. Step 6. Disconnect and reconnect your third-party fitness apps like Garmin or Fitbit in Strava's settings to refresh the integration. Step 7. Clear the Strava app cache through your phone's settings if you're on Android, or reinstall the app if you're on iPhone. Step 8. Contact Strava support if the problem persists, providing details about your device, the activity that won't sync, and any error messages you're seeing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.